Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a powerful tool that can seriously boost your PC performance, Ashampoo WinOptimizer 2026. If your computer feels slow, cluttered, or just not as responsive as it used to be, then this software might be exactly what you need. So what is Ashampoo WinOptimizer 2026? It's an all-in-one optimization suite designed to clean, speed up, and maintain your Windows system with just a few clicks. One of the standout features is its one-click optimizer, which scans your system for junk files, invalid registry entries, and unnecessary background processes, then removes them instantly. Super easy, even for beginners. It also includes a powerful Registry Cleaner that helps fix errors and improve system stability. Plus, the Internet Cleaner ensures your browsing traces are wiped, keeping your privacy safe. Another cool feature is the Startup Tuner, which lets you manage which programs launch when your PC starts. This can dramatically reduce boot time and make your system feel much faster. And if you're concerned about privacy, WinOptimizer 2026 has built-in tools to disable unwanted tracking and protect your sensitive data. What I really like is the user-friendly interface. Everything is neatly organized, so you don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. Overall, Ashampoo WinOptimizer 2026 is a solid choice if you want to keep your PC running like new without spending hours tweaking settings manually. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.